Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing our traditional video that we started last year using Pantone's Color of the Year. But the first thing we've got to do is get a gorgeous white mandala on the front of this ornament. We'll worry about that Color of the Year as soon as we're done. Let's get painting. you guys, I'm so in love with this gorgeous pearl mandala with all the bling, but it's time for that color of the year. Drum roll. Pantone's 2025 color of the year, Mocha Mousse. Y'all, it sounds delicious. It also sounds like a color I don't have, so let's go shopping. I know what y'all are thinking. This was just another excuse for me to go shopping, and we all know that you're right. Way to call me out like that, everybody. Either way, I got a couple of bottles of paint, and I think I can put them together with some that I have here at the art desk, and I can make a mixture that looks like the Mocha Mousse that Pantone has named color of the year. It won't be perfect, but you know, nothing I do ever is, y'all. All right, I'm gonna put all the measurements I used to make this mixture right here on the screen. I'm using a 3-ounce paper cup. And then, I'm so sorry, Suzanne, I am gonna be pouring this brown paint right into our ornament. Y'all have to know that my good friend Suzanne is just absolutely allergic to brown paint, and I have been thinking of her this entire video. Let me give a shout out to one of our channel members, Suzanne. She's one of my biggest supporters, and I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. There it goes. Oh gosh, it's turning into one of those sorry, not sorry type of moments. I love the white. I love the brown. I am just so torn. Let's give it a grand reveal. I think I love it, you guys. My tree is going to be so colorful. Let's go take a look. Oh, you guys, I think I like it. I was really torn about this, but I'm imagining a tree full of all different colors of these. Eventually, this tradition is going to pay off for us. You guys, I've left everything I used down in the description. I left helpful videos. I'm going to leave a link for last year's Peach Fuzz video at the very end. I want you guys to give it a watch. I want you to have the merriest Christmas. I want you to enjoy every tiny little bit. And meet me back here very soon because I've got some holiday surprise videos for you guys. Until then, rock on.